Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming domain DNS control and that you have root or sudo on the server. This matters because certificate validation will need precise DNS or file placement. Once ready, install OpenSSL and your chosen web server so you can generate keys and test. Next, decide certificate type, single, SAN, or wildcard, because that determines CSR fields and validation method. Now generate a 2048 or 4096-bit private key and a CSR immediately. Keep the private key secure. Once you have the CSR, submit it to your chosen CA or run an Acme client such as Certbot to automate issuance. This saves time and handles renewals. Make sure to pick the right validation. HTTP 01 for simple web servers, DNS 01 for wildcard or complex setups, or TLS Alpin 01 for tight server control. After the CA issues the cert, install the certificate, full chain, and private key in your web server configuration, and update any intermediate bundle paths so clients receive the full chain during TLS handshake. You finish by reloading or restarting the web server and verifying with TLS tools and a browser. Confirm the chain, hostname, and expiry dates. Once validated, enable HSDS, OXF stapling, and a modern cipher suite to improve security and performance. Finally, set up and test automated renewals. Use Certbot Renew or an Acme client with cron or systemd timers, because expired certs break HTTPS immediately. If clients report errors, check intermediate chain order first. Misordered chains are the most common problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.